Hello dear friends. Today we decorate the cake with flowers using dry spray dyes. I have a biscuit cake, its diameter is 24 centimeters. Custard buttercream, fruit in the layer. We will decorate with protein custard. Apply cream and level. Add a little lilac dye to part of the cream. Chrysanthemums. We will make a small smile nozzle. We will use the small open star nozzle to apply the base. We lift several rows of leaves only up. The next rows begin to open the petals. Spray lilac dye into the center of the flower to get a slight gradient. They are sold on the AliExpress website. I have an airbrush, but it is inconvenient to work with it, compared to such dyes. Besides, their shade is matte, which cannot be obtained from an airbrush. We plant chrysanthemums so that they look slightly in different directions. Add a little red dye to part of the cream. We will twist the roses on corn sticks. I made a delicate color for a reason. After spraying the dye, the gradient will be better visible. We plant roses in a chaotic manner. We will plant tulips with a yellow cream with a tulip nozzle. Plant the leaves with a green dye nozzle. We print the congratulatory inscription on food paper. Make a border with a tube nozzle. We place the beads on the upper and lower curbs with the same nozzle. Sprinkle with sparkles. Friends, if you liked this video, put likes, write comments and subscribe to our channel. There are many interesting things ahead of you. See you soon.